Hi, in this video we are going to see overview and introduction of HP OfficeJet Mobile 250 all-in-one series printer. So first of all we are going to see understanding the printer parts. So this section contains the following topics as you can see here: front and side view, document feeder, printing supplies area, and a back view of the printer. So first of all we are going to see front and side view of the printer, and each printer part is represented through number for better understanding here. Like 1, it represents the power button, and 2 for power light, and 3 battery light. So in this way you can see all the points or the indicated numbers which is indicated on printer parts. So let's move on the next screen, which is document feeder. Document feeder is also represented through numbers. So here as you can see, number 1 represents document feeder, 2 document feeder tray extension, and 3 it is document feeder tray, and 4 it is document feeder paper with guide. Printing supplies area. So here 1 represents cartridge access door, 2 it is cartridge latcher, and 3 cartridge slot, and 4 it is cartridges. Here is an important note available on the screen. You can read it for more information. Now we are going to see back view of the printer. So as you can see, each printer part is represented through number. So number 1 it is battery cover, and 2 battery status button. You can see the description as well. Here it is available in this table. And 3 it is USB port, and 4 it is power input, and 5 it is security lock slot. Now we are going to see use the printer control panels. This section contains following topics as you can see on the screen. So let's discuss one by one. First, lift the printer control panel. You can use the printer control panel while it is lying flat, or lift it up for easier viewing and use. To lift printer control panel, press the top of the printer control panel and it rises automatically. So you need to press here to lift the printer control panel. Overview of buttons. So let's see quick reference to the printer control panel features. So this printer comes with touch control panel. So here 1 it is control panel display, and 2 it is back button, and 3 it is home button, and 4 it is help button. You can ask or search for any help. Now we are going to see printer control panel display icons, because each icon represents something about the printer. So this icon it is setup icon, and this is wireless icon, and this is HP ePrint icon, and this is Wi-Fi direct icon, and this icon is ink icon, and this is HP Eco Solution, and this is battery icon because this printer comes with battery. So here we are going to see function tabs. Function tabs are located at the bottom of the screen. So we are going to see function tab and purpose of that. So this icon it is shortcut. Access to shortcut you have created. Copy to copy documents, scan document to email, computer or USB flash drive, and photo it is print photo from USB flash drive, and apps, access to the apps for your printer. And last topic of this video, which is use the home screen. You can touch on the home screen to back on home of the printer, and you can also change the printer settings. Use the printer control panel to change the printer function and settings, print report or get help from the printer. So to change printer settings you need to follow these steps. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you want any help related to your printer, just click on the support link which is available in this video description.